Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Hi everyone.
Hi, Jim.
How you doing? It's that time again. Yes. Merry Christmas everyone. It's Christmas time. So, what's the best way to celebrate Christmas? But with a Christmas song. And what's a good Christmas song to do? Well, I think Jingle Bells is one of the best. And I know it's certainly one of the easiest. So, we are going to look at Jingle Bells today and see if we can work out the easiest way to play it. I'm sure you can learn this song and play it with just 3 chords on your guitar using just 3 strings, and you could do it in only a few minutes. Let's say 10 minutes, something like that. Let's get started. So this song has 3 chords. The first chord is C, C major. We only need 1 finger to play this chord. Our first finger goes on to fret 1 on string 2. The next chord we need is a G7 chord. G7 chord is on fret 1 on string 1. So far, so good. Now the next chord is going to be a G. The G is fret 3. Now that is also string 1. So our first finger begins on a C, then it needs to go to a G7, and then it needs to go to a G. Good. Let's look at the strumming and the counting for this song. There are 2 sections for this song. The first section is called the verse, and the second section is called the chorus. We are actually going to begin with the chorus. The chorus is the part of the song where we sing Jingle Bells, Jingle Bells. That's the chorus. The verse starts, dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, that's that bit. Great. We're going to start with the chorus, Jingle Bells. The chorus in this song is 8 bars long. It starts with C chord. We play the C chord 4 times in the first bar and then 4 times in the second bar. After this, we need to play a G7 chord. We play this 2 times. Then we play a C chord 2 times. After this, we play the G chord, and that's 4 times. So that's halfway through the chorus, the first 4 bars. The next 4 bars begin C again, 4 strums, C again in the next bar, 4 strums, then G7 for 2 strums, and then C for 2 strums. The last bar of this section is a G for 2 strums and then a C for 2 strums. From the beginning, the first chord in the chorus is the C chord. My first finger is here. Then we need to change to the G7 and back to the C. And now straight to the G. Bar 5, 6, 7, 8 of the chorus section continues with a C. G7, back to the C, now to the G, and then to the C. The speed for this song is about 110 beats per minute. This is quite fast, so we will need to practice before letting everyone else join in. Of course, you can play it much slower if you want to. That's totally fine. You can take your time and enjoy it. Okay, ready for the click? 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 C. G7, C, G. C, 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 C. G7, C, G, C. Wow, that is fast. Now it does seem fast, but when you sing at that speed, it doesn't seem that fast. I think that's going to sound really great with everyone else joining in. You can clap hands, you can find some things from the kitchen to bash together. I'm sure everyone will have a fantastic time. Make sure you enjoy this Christmas. Is everyone ready to sing?
Yeah!
Everyone ready? Fantastic. I've got my guitar ready, and I think I can remember those words. This song starts with the Jingle Bells bit, then it goes to the dashing through the snow bit, then it goes back to the Jingle Bells bit. Okay, let's try that out. Ready for the click? 1, 2, 3, 4. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey! Jingle bells, Batman spells, Robin flew away. He landed in a football pitch and didn't know how to play. Hey! Jingle bells, Batman spells, Robin flew away. He landed in a football pitch and didn't know how to play. Hey!
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas, everyone! Well, that was really good. I really enjoyed that. Did everyone else enjoy that? I think that was really fantastic. Well done. That's going to get better and better as we practice it over the next couple of days, right up until Christmas. I think we've got about a month left, so if you start now, I think you'll be ready just in time. Now, don't forget to share the songs that you've enjoyed with us and like the pages on Facebook. The Beginner's Guitar course is enrolling now, and it will begin in January. You've just got enough time to get signed up, and then you'll be all ready to start with everyone else. We hope you enjoyed the video, and there's loads more videos for you to have a look at on mozoisland.co.uk. You can have a look on our YouTube channel to see all of the other videos and all the other songs that you can learn right now. Bye for now. Merry Christmas.